Hi guys, today I'm playing Pilot Flight Training Sim, and there's quite a few changes. They added like a new plane. I'm gonna show you the next video. The last time I played, I made like an Emirates airline. I got a lot of fuel, so I'm gonna do that again. So enjoy the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Oh my god, my stupid. Yes, this is a fancy airline. Thank God. Anyway, this is how it looks like. This is the interior. It even has a lodge in the first class. I'm gonna show you that. Where is it? Here. You see? I like this airline. The fact that I've been on it. It's really cool, guys. So let's get on what you're doing. This thing is kind of slow, not gonna lie. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have made it this far. I know it's been 1 minute. Ignore that. No, don't ignore that. I think we're clear. Don't ask me why I'm speeding up. I'm just gonna speed up. I've told people about this many times, so there's no need to ask. Just don't even think about it. Whoa, chill. Okay, today I'm going to ilzarion, and I don't know why I'm going there. I just like that place. I like this. We're gonna take off. Yeah, I think we're gonna take off right now. I know you guys have been waiting for me to like play this, and I've promised you that like ages ago. I don't know why I broke it. Stop! I wish there are breaks in this game. Like, dude. Okay, guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, take off. A280. I do not even know I'm gonna end this video. Just watch where you're gonna be. Remove the wheels. Okay. Get prepared for what I'm gonna say. This is one of the goofiest lines. Ilzarion, here we come. I'm sorry, guys. Did that crazy? Come on, guys. I know that too. How am I gonna be cruising? Oh, that's really cool. The plane could like look like it's frozen in there. That's kind of cool, not gonna lie. And guys, they've changed the sessions. It's now dark thing. I think it's pretty cool for me. Even the trailers are back then. Yeah. Oh, the missions also back then. Yeah. What is happening? Okay, I've never even knew that could happen. Look what it can do. Anyway, let's get on with it. This better be a button on it. Gate 10, I'm gonna do it. This better not be a 5 gate. This better not. No way you guys make this film. Thanks guys if you watch this film. Like, even if one view is like still something special, right? It doesn't matter if you like have 5 views. Still like a lot of people. It doesn't matter. Like it makes me feel like happy when people watch this. So thanks if you ever like for watching my channel. Thanks for the support. Anyway. What does this do? Anyway, let's just play that. Okay? I think we are arriving at our destination, guys. Wait, what? Am I in the right airport? Never mind. Ignore them. It's been ages since I've played this. I've never even played it in the back since. I'm serious. It's been a while. Is that the gears now? No, guys, don't tell me the gears are down the roof now. Did that actually happen? What is happening? Everything is white. Damn. Oh my god, I need to make an emergency landing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What just happened?
60.
I'm serious, everything was just pure white.
30, 20, 10. Restart.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Well, that was unexpected. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and thanks for the support. Bye.